If you use a Xiaomi Redmi phone, enable these two hidden settings right now. First, the double tap to wake feature. Go to your Settings app, then find Lock Screen Settings. Scroll down until you see Double Tap to Wake screen. Toggle this setting on. Now, when your screen is completely black and off, just gently tap the screen twice with your finger. Watch as it instantly wakes up without any buttons. Second, the quick camera shortcut. In the same lock screen settings menu, find and enable a quick camera or non-double press volume down button for camera. Now, when your phone is locked, even with fingerprint security, simply double press the volume down button. Your camera opens immediately, ready to capture moments. These two settings save me so much time. No more searching for the power button. No more missing quick photo opportunities. Try them on your Redmi phone now, and subscribe for more practical phone tips like these.